Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about last video. If you haven't seen last video, I pretty much take my boosted G35 to dyno day, where I freaking take the car to get tuned, dynoed, and well, if you know the results, then you know we were kind of like a little bit disappointed. If you want to know the results and everything, click right here on the eye over here somewhere on the corner. You can go ahead and check that video out. It's a pretty awesome video, so go ahead, check it out. The car sounds absolutely amazing. So in today's video, I'm actually going to show you exactly what happened that made the car perform those numbers, and I'm gonna show you what happened because I just fixed the car. Well, not me personally, one of my friends. I gotta give credit where credit's due. I'm not gonna take credit. Ghost Flash Productions, Ghost Flash, right? Gotta make sure to give him a follow. He's the one that actually found the problem with my G, and I will let you guys know in this video. But before we begin this whole entire video, I want to do a little word from our sponsor. So for today's sponsor, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Lost Fit Lighting. I gave them multiple shout outs before. You guys already know they supply the G35 with the best lighting in the game. I'm talking about if you need fog lights, if you need headlights. Well, today they brought out another product that doesn't necessarily have to be lighting, but it's a product that you guys will be interested. I know that for a fact, and they actually might do a giveaway, and you guys might potentially win. More info on that, but let me show you the product. Before I show you the product, little quick questionnaire for you guys. When you go on your car and you get your phone, where do you put it? You put it inside center console? Do you put it on the side? You just put it in the seat? You put it under your butt? Like, where do you put your phone? Where do you put your phone? And if that's always a problem, I got you. I'm talking none other than a phone holder. Now you guys may be, just a phone holder, bro? Are you serious? Bro, get this, bro. This is a freaking wireless charger phone holder. Best part about it is that it's fast charging, bro. It's fast charging. You do have to get a supplemental cable for that, but it is able to do fast charging, man. So by the time you hop in your car and you head to Walmart or something, bro, your phone's gonna be charged, bro, ready. Now this suction cup, this thing will suck into your window. It will stick there, okay? This is gonna stick longer than your last relationship, bro. Trust me. This crane right here, you loosen this up, boom, you pivot how you want your phone. Say this is the window right here. Second one, you loosen this little top knob on the top, and you can bring it forward to you or back as much as you want. We press these little two buttons, they open up magically. You place your phone and it grabs it, bro, and it's charging, bro. That's the best part. Look at that. Now you guys are probably saying like, bro, I thought you said it was wireless. I see a wire there. Nothing's connected to it. I'm gonna press the buttons in the back, it opens and my phone falls. So if you guys are actually interested in this product, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description. Also use code BD10 if you want 10% off, and we are actually going to plan a giveaway for this wireless phone charger. It is absolutely amazing. All right guys, so now without further ado, let me show you exactly what went on. I went ahead, entered the dyno, we did the pulls, the car ended up doing fine, but once the pull was done, he told me my results. I was a little disappointed. They're good numbers for what it is, you know, it's a D, but it could have done better, a lot better. And what was worse was that when I uploaded the video yesterday and I started reading the comments like, bro, what the fuck, only 350, bro, come on, my thing's faster than that. I'm like, I'm not gonna lie, I was actually pretty sad, man. I was pretty sad. But at the end of the day, if you look at it, the car does 230 wheel horsepower stock, 120 plus horsepower just from that kit, right? Which is a lot, trust me. 350 is fun as hell. Like, I'm gonna show you guys some flybys, some pulls. I still gotta do videos of that. It sounds insane. It feels absolutely amazing. So yeah, after reading the comments, I was like, man, dude, like, this is really bugging me. Like we only hit 350 wheel. Like, are you serious? Like, I don't know. I felt down. Like, I don't know why. I don't know why, what it is. And I don't chase numbers. This is literally my first time boosting my car, so I don't know nothing about chasing numbers. I don't know anything. I was just like, the kit should be a lot more. The kit literally says 400 wheel plus, right? So I was like, and so when I got off the dyno with the G35 on Seth, the guy who tunes cars for admin tuning, he's like, decent result. And by decent result, I'm pretty sure he meant like ass result for what it is, you know. He's like, decent result, but honestly, I do think you have a boost leak. That's what he told me. And he also told me that I should get a smaller pulley. But I'm pretty sure I have the smallest pulley already. I think I covered that already. It's a 2.87. That's the one that is stalled. But that though wasn't the problem. The problem was his first comment. He said he thinks I have a boost leak, and in fact I did. The reason he found out I had a boost leak was because when he was pulling the car, right, when he was doing the runs, that the boost would build up, but once it hit like 7 pounds of boost, it pretty much died. Like, it couldn't hold that 7 pounds, and it started dying down. Like, the boost could not hold 7 pounds, and it would start dying down, which means like there's not enough pressure being held inside, so it just dies down. So there must be a boost leak. So pretty much I woke up yesterday and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna start fixing it right now. Like, this is really bugging me. I took the car over to Ghost Flash Productions, and once again I took it to his house, and so we can go ahead and inspect it over together. Now, if you know, when I start the car, it is absolutely ridiculously loud. Like, not even the exhaust is loud, like just the system, and it sounds like a freaking tornado, bro. Like, it's so damn loud. So the problem here was that the car ran fine. We turned on the car, it started right up. So we thought, it's our first time installing a Vortex supercharger kit, so we thought the kit was fine. We thought the car was running, so it must be fine, right? So, and it's so damn loud in there that it's pretty hard to hear a leak, because everywhere you hear, it sounds like air's coming out, because it's a damn supercharger. So it's just air sucking in everywhere, and I'm just like, where's the damn leak, right? We sprayed soapy water even in the gasket right here, in the throttle body, literally everywhere. We started spraying in the whole entire manifold, just in case there's cracks, because these manifolds are known for cracks. So we literally sprayed it everywhere, and no air was literally coming out. Like, everything was sealed. But surely enough, the boy Robert, he was leaning in like this, sticking hands everywhere. Even though the engine was crazy hot, he still started sticking his hand here and there, and he went like right here, and there's this little nozzle here in the back of the manifold. Little nozzle that needs to have a hose connected to it, and there was no hose. He went ahead and blocked that vacuum leak that was leaking out all the boost, and the car automatically shut off. So if you guys can see back here, this is where that magical hose is at. It was hiding behind there. I already installed the manifold before, so I have no idea how we forgot to freaking install this freaking hose. So me and Robert were thinking, as soon as we connect that hose, all the boost will be held inside, so technically we'll make like 400 wheel instantly as soon as we connect the hose. But that's not how cars work. That vacuum hose that was disconnected is such a big difference that as soon as we connect the hose, the car would not start. It's that big of a difference that the car would not start at all. I contacted admin saying like, bro, the car won't start. I explained to him that, you know, he told me that there was a boost leak, so I figured it out where it was coming from. I fixed it, and the car wouldn't start. So me and him were chatting here and there, and he basically said that hose was just, it's such a big vacuum leak, and the car was tuned with the vacuum leak, so it's such a big difference that the car just would not start. So I have to go back. I'll probably go back at the end of the month to get retuned with the problem fixed, because I can't drive it. The car is driving with the vacuum leak. It's how it's tuned. He also went ahead and told me once we connect that hose, since it was such a big difference and all the boost is going to be held inside the system, that we can probably be crossing that 400 wheel horsepower mark. I'm also going to go ahead and get a throttle body, a bigger throttle body for the car. I'm already getting tuned, might as well add a little bit more, right? So I'm going to get that bigger throttle body, and I'm going to see if potentially we can get a 3-inch charge pipe. Potentially. If it doesn't happen, then it doesn't happen, but I'm for sure getting that bigger throttle body. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go outside right now to do film flybys for you guys, film POV drives for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and film those out for right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video here. I just wanted to quickly explain to you guys what the issue was, why it performs not the best, and I wanted to explain to you guys the problem. But before I cut the video out, I do want to give you guys at least a cold start so you guys can hear how freaking loud this is. So without further ado, let me place the camera down. I'm gonna start the car so you guys can hear it, and then I'll go ahead and cut the video there. Also, another thing before I end the video, I did not expect this, but E85 goes down so fast. Literally, as you're doing a run, you can see the freaking fuel gauge go down, bro. Like, it's so sad, but it smells pretty good. But anyways, guys, that was the freaking problem with the car, with how it got those numbers. Like I said, I'm gonna bring you guys some flybys. I'm gonna enjoy the car. I'm gonna freaking show it to you guys as much as possible, and it's freaking insane. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys next video with some flybys. Hopefully, we also got to start fixing up this freaking Miata just chilling there. So without further ado, thank you guys for all the support. Hopefully we can go back and do some better numbers. I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys for all the love and support you guys been giving me recently, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.